Hi, everybody. My name is Arthur, and I'm the author of the article you just read. If you follow the directions, this is the app you will have built. Let's launch a call to go into a little demo. NPM start, phone number in the international format, and the input variable name, because we're inputting a variable for the name, so that Dasha can refer to the user by their name. In this case, Arthur. And there we go. There's the call.
Hi, this is Dasha with Acme Credit Union. You visited one of our offices earlier today. I'd like to ask you a few questions about the experience. Do you have 2 minutes now?
I do, sure.
Perfect. Thank you. First question. How would you rate the bank employees with whom you interacted? Please use the scale of 1 to 5.
They were very, very good.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
They were very good.
Thank you. Next question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how did you feel about the effectiveness of the anti-COVID measures at the bank location?
I would give it a 3.
So sorry to hear that you thought our measures are not sufficient. What do you think can be done better?
Well, I used your sanitizer and now my hands are dry and ashy. I think your sanitizer could have had a little more lotion in it.
I'm so sorry you were unsatisfied. I will be sure to mark your feedback as escalated. Thank you. And final question, how would you rate the overall experience on a scale of 1 to 5?
I would give it a 4.
Thank you for such a high rating of your experience. Can you please share what especially stood out?
Yeah, just, everything, getting my stuff done quickly, and you had great cookies in the jar on the desk, so I liked them.
Thank you so much. Anything else we should make note of?
No, that's it. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time and for remaining a loyal Acme customer. Your feedback will help us serve you better. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, she's very quick to hang up. Lots of calls to make. So quickly go through all the parts of the app that we discussed in the article. So this is the main.dsl file, the Dasha script file. And this is the actual structure of the conversation. So obviously you can access the code on the GitHub repo. It's well enough commented, I believe. We start at the start node, and then we go into our perfect world flow, which is what happens if everything goes exactly as we want it to go. All the 3 questions get asked, all the additional feedback is collected. Then we go into the call me back flow, and eventually we come to digressions. I only have 1 digression here. We've got a few more in the conversation map that's shared in the article, and it's up to you to build out the other ones. I'm sure you can get it done based on the examples here. Then we've got the phrase map. So the phrase map is what we map to as we are pronouncing phrases. Like you could, in theory, use something like say text and then hi whatever. But it's generally considered to be a better practice to map to a phrase map. Plus, it makes it a little easier to structure the repeat conversations. For example, if you're at node question 1 and the user calls up a digression, for example, like are you a robot? And then you want Dasha to come back to question 1 but not say the exact same phrase that she already said. You want it to sound differently, like I was saying. So you can do all of that with the phrase map. The third part that we want to look at is data JSON. So that's all of the training data that we provide to the neural networks to train them to understand the intents that you intend them to understand, and the named entities, which is really the most fun part of the whole thing. And obviously index.js, which is essentially how you communicate with the Dasha SDK. You import the Dasha SDK, and then within you can call up various external functions from your DSL code to do a variety of things like process data or connect with other external services, to write to your databases, to consume your databases, and pretty much do anything that you may want to do. And we'll do some tutorials on that pretty soon. Well, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye.